Hello, Neopal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to talk about one of the best iOS features in my opinion, that I use it a lot, but I think not many people know about it. So, let's go! Okay, so this feature is text replacement. It has been part of iOS for at least iOS 5, and not many people know about it. However, it's really useful to type faster, or it's even more useful to type emails or long addresses. It consists of setting up a few commands that if you type them, it will automatically be replaced with whatever you say. So yeah, let's see how it works. So, to set it up, you have to go to Settings on your iOS device and then scroll down to General and Keyboard. And once there you will see the text replacement function on which you can type, and here I have all the text replacement that I have set up. So if I tap the plus button, I can add a new one. To add a new one you have to write the phrase and the shortcut. So the phrase is what you want to be written when you write the short command. So for example, I'm going to write something. And the shortcut is, for example, STH. So if I type save, you will see that it went right here, something like, and I can edit it. So yeah, it's very simple. You can see I have a ton of it added. Now if I go somewhere and start typing, you can see it replaces the STH with something. So as you can see, it's very simple to add one. You saw I have tons added, and yeah, this is very useful to type faster. Also for email addresses, it's especially useful because there are normally some long commands you don't always want to write. And yeah, I have just, for example, my mail altogether sends my email address, so that's perfect. But probably the best part about it is that it syncs via iCloud. So if you set some commands in your iPhone, you will also be able to use them on your iPad or your Mac or wherever, without having to set them up again in each individual device. So, what do you think? Did you just discover about this feature, or did you know it from before? And if so, did you use it? Leave me all your thoughts in your comments below, as well as if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I will do my best to answer. So yeah, this has been everything today. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account, link will be down below, and to subscribe if you like the video. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.